what's up, guys? It's HorseLover26 Nesbit here with another video.
And Rainbow Cat 4909. Remember, subscribe to her if you want more daily content for her thingy.
She's a strange child. This server is full, Ashley.
Okay. Stop.
What? No.
I want to be in your intro.
You are in my intro.
I know, but I want to be in your intro.
No. Stop saying server is full. The server is not full.
Because I haven't even joined yet.
Oh, well, you're supposed to join.
I know. I always said, wait.
I did something.
Yeah, you can do it.
Say the server.
Today we are playing on our thing. And don't forget to subscribe to HorseLover26.
I just said.
And leave a like. And
she's nuts.
Don't leave a like. I'm sure there will be a link in the description of her channel, my channel, aka my channel.
No, probably not. Okay, I'm gonna throw some stuff in my cauldron because it's a lot of fun. I murdered a chicken.
Not at all. That would explain why it's so cold.
I got 2 chickens.
Huh?
Nothing.
Nothing.
In the game.
Whee.
Awkward silence. Okay, let's go see what I have. Why is there a chicken?
I need to eat some cookies.
You got chickens at home, Gracie?
No, I want chickens though.
Oh, cookies.
Boy, do I have time for you.
I get chickens? My mom won't let me get chickens.
Hello.
Why?
She doesn't want them.
You're pretty close to your neighbor there. You still got land.
Sorry.
What are you doing? Go, Ashley!
I had to do it. Hello. Bye-bye.
Leave me alone.
I need to eat a cookie. Need a better source of food. Need some bread.
Yo, villagers! I need some wheat. Crop or whatever it's called. No, I don't care. Where are all the villagers?
You're going like, okay.
I know where they
that
are.
way. No, not that way. Okay. There's still stuff in there?
There's nothing in there that I need though.
What is that?
Sugar cane.
Oh, that's, I was like, why is there so much stuff in there? Yeah, you can take any of that. And then also, there's a little hold place out by the...
I'm not, no, I'm getting villagers.
What?
Trade.
You can't trade seeds.
I don't care. I will trade what I can for emeralds. I hear zombies. Oh no, it's just the iron golem. Okay. You suck, you guys. Where's the butcher? Oh my god! No. No. You stink. Go away. You. Butcher. Yes. No. What? That's a leather worker. Nah. You. Weaponsmith. Yes! I can give you that. I got 2 emeralds.
Only need 1 more.
Okay. Thank you. I got 6 emeralds.
Okay, I'll meet you at the horse place.
Hold on. I have 1 chicken, sorry. Shush, villagers. You guys are so annoying.
This is not working. Oh, my horsies. Mama's home.
I'm breaking something. My horses have probably missed me.
I got a lot more horsies.
No, of course you do. They don't spend... Wait, where are all of my horses? I only see 1.
I haven't even been in there, so.
No, like, there's only 1 of my horses in its paddock, and there's none in its stall. Go away, sheep! Okay, a sheep can live with my horse. You got donkey.
Wait, are you still recording?
Yes.
Hello!
Oh my god.
We're about to do a trade.
Mm-hmm.
I hate these big oak trees. Remember, subscribe to Rainbow Cat.
Don't listen to her. Yeah, I only have one.
Hey, I put you in my link in description link thingy.
I don't really care. I don't know where my horses went, so that's...
I got an apple.
Where are all my
I need
horses? Do you know where my horses went?
Nope. I need food.
Is this the black... No. Where's the black horse?
Oh, the black horse is behind everything.
What?
By the tree farm.
Eh,
Hello.
go away. You can close the gate for me, because I'm not.
Think it's already tamed, but otherwise. Bye.
That's it. Okay. Here you go. No, I have 6. You're going to take all of them.
Okay.
No! Place down a chest or something.
I should get classic crafting.
What? What's that?
Classic crafting.
No,
You can like organize your
I
inventory.
don't care. Place down a chest for me.
I don't have a chest. Just leave them in. Put them in the minecart in the chest.
Fine, but I'm taking this. Ah!
No refunds.
We're moving very slowly.
It's a very slow horse.
Go!
You need a saddle.
Yeah, I know. Apparently I don't have one on me at the moment.
I have an apple.
Do you have one I can borrow right now?
Nope. I literally don't.
Can you go get one from my chest then?
Go get one?
I can't. I'm with the horse.
Oh,
Actually, this horse can be a free-range horse too. All my animals are free-range.
I only don't have free range.
Weirdo. I think all my other horses died or
I'm
something.
gonna try to install recordable from the internet.
Okay. Wait.
Oh,
That's it for today, you guys. Now I'm gonna wait. Thank you.
there will be a part 2.
Maybe. Alright, see you guys next time. And if you enjoyed, definitely smash that hit like and subscribe button.
And subscribe to Rainbow Cat.
4909. Possibly another 9.
It could be. I don't remember.
Well, see you guys next time. Bye.